What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. I love me Fridays. Today is Friday. TGIF, ladies and gentlemen. Had an amazing week here. Pipe Doctor Home Services in Woodmere, New York. Amazing, blessed week. Amazing end of June. Simply the best. And one thing I love doing, no more than swimming in the pool when it's like 80 degrees out. Love it. This video is my last service call of the week, a few hours ago. Some will call it Mikey Pipes. What are you doing? Just gassing and going? Come on, that's not a professional job. I call it delivering instant gratification at the customer request. No more, no less. You plant the seed, you give the option, let them make the decision on how to proceed with the service call. Here we go. Smash that thumbs up button, guys, and let me get your thoughts and feedback down in the comment section down below.
That was quick, Mike.
Yes.
Thanks.
How are you?
You want to look at the machine outside or downstairs first?
Tell me what's wrong.
It's not cooling.
When did this problem develop?
It's been a while.
Let's see the indoor unit first.
I cooled the filter. And it happens that the boiler room door is open right now because the electricians were working.
Okay.
So it's a little hotter than usual. Let me turn some more lights on for you. Yeah. What is it? It's Toshiba carrier.
How old?
No, probably 10 years.
Okay.
The drain, the condensate goes right into the slop sink, you know.
When did this problem develop?
Could be 6 months.
Any repairs in the past?
Not that I'm recall. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just want to take a look at the refrigerant line here. This is our refrigerant line, the power goes right out to the
Single
door.
zone?
Yeah, single zone. This is it.
How many BTUs?
9 or 12. I think it's probably 9. We're currently designing Terminal 6 at JFK Airport.
Is that new terminal? No.
The one next to JetBlue.
Gotcha. It's a lot of tonnage.
Yeah. And this is our baby.
Okay.
And it's blowing, you know, the wheel's turning, but that's about it.
And it's frozen up.
Okay.
So either you have, well, as you know, it's not necessarily a leak, but you could have a expansion metering device problem, thermistor issue.
But the good thing is it's a short run.
All right, I will get my tools and we'll check the pressures. All right, outside we got this carrier Toshiba unit right here. Oh, we got 12,000 BTUs, and I got this big giant effing thorn bush. Why do thorn bushes even exist? Come on. Seriously, be nice. You know what? I'm gonna cut you out. All right, trimmed it down with my rigid PVC tubing cutter. Let's see what we got. All right, put on an adapter for the 410A connection there on this ductless mini split. And there's our pressure standing with the power off. Let's plug her back in and see what we got. Give that a few minutes. is not doing anything. Stupid thing. You already know this is going to be an example of gas and go, don't you? So for testing purposes, I'm going to add a little bit of refrigerant in a liquid state. 410A is charged upside down. You charge the liquid. We're going to add a pound. There it is. Pressures are still a little low, and it feels like we are discharging some warmish air. System takes 2 pounds, I think. Where is it? 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 2.43 pounds. Let's give him a little bit more. You know you do the same exact thing. Don't lie. Better. Now, I already know what you guys are going to say. Mikey Pipes, that is not how you charge a Douglas mini split system. Well, that is a way of actually charging it. The 100% method to recharge the system to exactly what it needs, just hear me out for a second, all right, is to recover by weighing out what's in the system. Now, you know there's low refrigerant in the system, so that means when I recover, there's a possibility that I'm going to let atmosphere in through that microscopic leak, which is then going to contaminate the inside of the line sets, which then is going to result in having to spend time with nitrogen to triple vac the system, right? Just keeping it real, right? On a 10-year-old system that has a leak. Now do the math, ladies and gentlemen. If there's a leak in the evaporator, they're getting a new system. If there's a leak in the indoor unit or the outdoor unit, they're getting a new system. If there's a leak in the line set, you should get a new system. But after adding, 1 pound and 10 ounces, and I'm going to 2 pounds, we are better. How does it feel? Nice and cold? Yeah. So, Mr. Air Conditioning Engineer, does it pass the test? Does it pass the muster?
No, I gotta see. I want to see condensate going into the.
Okay, we can wait. It's fine. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Uncut, unedited, raw. That was a textbook gas and go. And I know you've done it too. I'm just keeping it real, and I'm doing it to show that this is how it gets done sometimes, right? I'm going to sugarcoat it. I'm not going to recover refrigerant and make believe that I took out, 0.6 pounds. I'm not gonna lie. Off camera, I did have a very lengthy conversation with the homeowner, who's self-proclaimed air conditioning engineer. He designs HVAC systems, large scale systems. By the way, the guy just left. What a mensch. Puts the other guy that canceled the job a couple days before we were about to do it. I made reference to this guy, this public engineer on the Mikey Pipes Uncensored channel, where you guys got quite vocal in the comments section. So if you haven't seen that video, link in the description box up there maybe. But check out Mikey Pipes Uncensored YouTube channel. A little over 10,000 subscribers there. It's nice. Very nice. All right, guys. It is 12:37 here on Friday. I love me Fridays. I really do. I love me Fridays almost as much as I love your sister. I know, I'm a lunatic. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, be well, God bless, stay safe.
Catch you in the next one.